Okay, so tonight I wanted to bring to you the BUIDL IDE that was done by the same people who did SOLL. And I thought, oh wait, no, I have not been able to have any luck getting it deployed. I brought up Ganache. Let me show you. And I'm sure we're just going to have to spend a bit more time on it. It's not, Remix just worked. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or there's something a little bit of a messed up with this. The idea is you're supposed to be able to compile it, and then you go to contract, you compile, you get your bytecode and your ABI, then you're supposed to go to what's this here, to compiled, and then simply deploy to the chain. Now, they did not, in their examples, they had an ES provider in there, and they do have a accessible Web3 provider, and I tried to deploy. Now this is my Ganache right here, and I run it. Goes to send the transaction. It's giving me an invalid JSON RPC response. Don't know why that is. I'm going to have to look into that. There were no problems with the compilation. But one of the cool features here is they do support DAPPs. So I don't... now this is not going to work because... But the whole idea is it's supposed to be all integrated. You can edit your CSS, your JavaScript. So that's kind of cool that it can do that. The issue is, can I actually even get it to work? Because so far I've had absolutely no luck with this. So I'm going to have to research it a little. If we can get it to work, then it is a cool little thing, and they build in the compilers, and they show you your ABI and your bytecode. Very nice looking interface. Possible I'm doing something wrong. They even provide accounts, although theoretically you shouldn't. Theoretically you should also be able to use whatever you'd like. Let me try one other thing. Well, let's see if it likes that. That may be the issue. Here, copy. This may get it to work. We're going to give it one more shot here, and my chain ID is, and that should do it. Let's see. Yep. Okay. So let's like that. Maybe it'll work now. It sees block gas limit. Well, but it does. The nice thing is, at least it. Let's get rid of this custom gas thing and try it again. No. So that may take a little bit more. Custom transaction gas. 9. Custom transaction gas. Let's gas price. So let's go with 14. See if that works. I don't know. We may still have to play with it, but what we did see here is that it was at least seeing the chain. So we're going to work on this a bit more. I think once you get it configured, it's nice. I think it's a more modern, cleaner interface than Remix. I like the fact they integrate the DAPP. I don't know what they do for debugging. My guess is you can debug, but like Ethereum, it's always that always have that gas type thing to deal with, and it is being a little. Let's see what this number is here. Oh, so this is the gas limit. So let's make a real big number. See if that works. You know, once you get started on this, you want to get the darn thing to work. So let's see. How can it exceed? Well, we're going to look into that. As you know, there's a gas limit for the block, and there's a gas price. There are all these factors. I think I really need to lay it out and do a presentation on that, because we keep running into this stuff, and it's something that is important to understand if you're gonna start deploying these things. I feel like it's a little bit, oh, let's try this, let's try that. So that, I think, is going to require a presentation to get our head straight on exactly how this gas thing works. But we did make progress. We now got it to connect. We have, you know, you can see once we get it to deploy, it's gonna be interesting. Like I said, I don't know if it has debugging in here, but it gives you all your information, nice clean interface, and includes DAPP, which is kind of nice. So anyway, I will speak to you all next time. If you find these presentations helpful, please give a like, please subscribe, please share it with your friends who might be interested, and I will speak to you next time.